Hello everyone, and today in this video I will be discuss about AI. How what is AI, how AI works, and how we can get benefit of AI. So everything that you can see on the this image, I will be discuss one by one everything. So make sure you will be watch this video till the end so that you get better understanding on this topic. So let's start. So when we say AI, so what is the AI? First of all, let's know what is the full form of AI. So AI means artificial intelligence. Kritim, when we say in Hindi, so this it we will say Kritim बुद्धिमत्ता. So because we are learning English language in today's time, so we should try to speak in English only, so that our fluency and our way of communication will be improved. So I hope you would be understand what I said. Let's know. First thought, when we go in any topic, so what we understand first of all we ask a question to ourselves, and what is that things, whatever things that we are going to learn. First of all we should ask what. With this question, if we will start, so that concepts will be so easy to understand when we start with what. So what is this, what is AI? So AI is a technology. With that we can do our work, we can easy our efforts on anything that we do. We can easy our work, easy our efforts. Uh, we can easy our efforts and work with help of AI, with help of this technology. That's in modern uh, in modern era we called that AI. AI means artificial intelligence. This is the very intelligent machine. With that we can know everything that we want. We can do anything that we want. In fact we can take work from that technology. We don't need to work manually. We can say that machine, and machine will work for us. So this is the very important things that today's time, that is happening in today's time. This is the very important things. So I thought everyone should know about it, because we are human, and if any technology are coming, and if we will not aware from that, so we will be miss big opportunity in our life that can be helpful for us, for our career growth, for our overall life. But if we will not aware from it, so definitely we will miss our big opportunities. So this is the things that we have to understand. So you understood what is the AI. Let's move on second question, that is how AI works. So suppose you are teaching a, a boy, a little boy, about dog and cat. You are teaching him, you are teaching him how to differentiate between dog and cat. So for that you are showing so many photographs to that boy, so that he can understand what is the dog image and what is the uh, cat image. So with so that he can understand, and if he see that type of animal in future, and when we when he experience when he will experience those kind of situations, there he will face actual dogs and cats, so he will be able to understand what is that, he will be able to identify what is that, which one is dog and which one is cat. So that will be very easy for him. So this is very important. So how uh, so my purpose is to give this example here, like this same process AI learn, this this same process AI learn, but AI take data, lots amount of data he take, and one technology is in that. With that he identify patterns, he find out patterns, what is the patterns in that particular data, and he see lots of examples, lots of information, in that he find out patterns. After that he take decision on that, and that's called AI, and we get results. AI don't think what is right, what is wrong, he predict behalf of data. So this is the main things that we have to understand here. Okay, so how much data you will give to AI, that much relevant answer AI will provide us. So this is very important, right? Now let's come on the third question, that is where AI use. So uh, in today's era, in today's time, whatever platform that we are seeing, that we can see, in everything AI is included in everything. So when we talk about YouTube, so that type of video you want to watch, YouTube suggest that you would be noticed. I don't need to talk about that. YouTube recommend those type of video that you like. So this is the AI do this for you. AI learn from your behavior, from your activity, from your history, you that you watch your history. With your history, AI learn, and he suggest relevant content for you that you will like. So these are the some basic things about AI that today we learned, and if you want to learn this, you have to give time on it, so then you will be able to understand it deeply, and you don't mind when I made any kind of mistakes, because in this language I am learning. I am not pro in this language. I am trying to explain some concepts in this language, so that I can make my skill effective. I just want to express my thoughts in this language, but I don't want to talk on any general topic. I just want to go deep in any any important and relevant topic, so that can be easy for me to understand that deeply in this language, and it will help me to express these kind of topic in front of lots of people, so that will be easy for me. And uh, in fact, you also, how much better I will be present in front of you, that much better you will be understand. So this is the very important. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you from some other topics. So thank you so much. So that